Good day, immortals. My name is Mika, and today I am super excited because I finally get to try on these new wings that I bought from renfest. I decided that I wanted to go with more of a fairy look for renfest specifically, so I ordered 2 pairs of wings. I ordered myself a pair of wings, and I ordered my daughter Bri a pair of wings, so we get to match, and I'm so excited. We're gonna be so freaking cute. Now, I will admit, I did already unbox them because I couldn't help myself, but here they are. Ooh, wow. Look at these! And then here's little baby Breeze. Oh my god, they're so cute! Now, there was nothing really special about the unboxing. They just came in like plastic bags. And I got these from a place called Wingalings on Etsy. And she also does sell her wings at a renfest. I think it's the Minnesota renfest. And I knew that I wanted bee looking wings. I thought that my costume needed a hint of yellow in it. And when I saw these wings, I was just like, oh my god, these would be perfect. By the way, I will bring Bri down here in a minute to try these on, but I'm gonna do that after I try these on myself. These wings are the quad wings that have large main wings and medium secondary wings. And I did get the like standard bee wing color, which was the dark yellow or almost brown to yellow and then to like a light yellow. Although I will admit that the light yellow on the pictures looked even brighter. They look pretty bright on the small ones. I don't know if you can tell the difference there, but the tip of the wings right here look a little bit brighter than this side. So I wish these were just a little bit brighter on the tips, but it's not a big deal. And then the veins I got in a dark brown color, and then I got the dark brown ribbons. The large ones were $137 and the small ones were $32, and that is before shipping. I originally had to pay shipping for both of these because these were already made, and then she had to make these for me, but then I told her that she can just ship these with the big ones, and then she actually refunded the average of both of the shippings for these wings. So the shipping was $10 for these, the shipping was I think $40 or $41 for these, and then she ended up refunding me like $25, which was really, really nice. So thank you for giving me that refund. I wasn't expecting her to refund me that much. So anyway, back to the wings. The wings, actually, I'm not sure what kind of fabric this is. I probably should have checked the description, but it is like a meshy fabric. Let's try to do a close-up if you can see that. It's a pretty durable fabric. Of course, you don't want to be sticking sharp objects around it, but it's not like paper or anything. Like, you can actually bend it a little bit. It's pretty flexible, pretty durable. I don't see myself poking a hole in it, but of course I will just have to be careful, especially at renfest when people are walking around with pointy objects when they shouldn't be. Actually, Ohio's pretty good about that. It's more Texas renfest that you have to worry about that. People not putting sheaths on their swords and stuff. But yeah, I just gotta be careful, be mindful of where I walk and make sure that I'm not going to be running into any pointy objects, especially backing up. So the way these work is they go in your bodice or whatever top that you're wearing. It goes in this like horseshoe shaped thing, it goes in, and then the ribbons are really just there to tie around your shoulders if you want to. I don't plan on wearing them. I think they'll be just fine in my bodice without the ribbons. But now these do bend. Every bit of this bends. It's just a bunch of wire. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to bend this in a good position for big open wings, but for the most part I will be wearing these wings downward in like a resting position. So let's go ahead and try to bend these into the right position. Oh, and by the way, I did want longer wings. I asked her if she could do longer wings because in the description it says that her large wings are 17 inches long, I think is what it was. And I asked her if she could do maybe like 21 or 22 inches. And she said that because of the way that she buys her fabric, the largest she can do is 18 inches. So unfortunately, they aren't as long as I would like them to be, but I told her that, you know, it's okay because these wings are just so beautiful that I just had to get them anyway, even if they were a few inches shorter than what I really wanted. Okay, I think this might be a pretty good position, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the camera and try these on. All right, let's try them on. Hopefully I have enough space in this basement. Get my hair out of the way. Look at all these crazy dreads. So I'm putting it just in the back of my bodice here. If you can see that. I don't know if you can even see that. All right, let's see how that is. Oh my God. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and angle these down just a little bit more. Look how cute they are. All right. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. Now I will admit they look a little weird being so high up on my shoulders. So I think they'll look a lot better once I angle them downward. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm also gonna go ahead and take off these ribbons because I know that I'm not gonna need them for me. If the wings start flopping around while I run, then I'll put these back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and bend this wire probably about halfway so that I get just a little bit more length. Alright, so that took a hot minute to figure out. I don't know how that looks. How does that look? Does that look good? I can't see. Maybe I need to bend my wings just a little bit more downward. I'm just doing that by wrapping it around my body and pushing it. So that's basically what the wings look like. And I think they are so cute. I love them. I look like a proper little fairy, and I really like them going downward. I wanted to get something that wasn't going to be too feminine. I don't want to be a frilly, girly fairy. I want to be more like a pixie. And so I think these wings look really good, and I love that pop of yellow. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get Bri down here and try on these little baby wings on her. Okay, I am back with Bri, and I already recorded this part, and then I realized that I wasn't actually recording, so I was just going on about how freaking cute she is and how we're gonna be little matching fairies. So I don't have a costume for her yet. I'm probably just gonna do something really simple, maybe just a plain green dress similar to this one, and then maybe I'll alter it, maybe put a little bit of lacing in the front just so it gives it kind of a medieval feel to it. But there's no point in spending a ton of money on an infant costume. So she is just soaking this ribbon right now. So I basically just wrapped the ribbons around her shoulders and tied them in a little bow on each side. And then obviously I put the wings in the back of her shirt. I'll go ahead and rebend them so that they're facing the back a little bit more. All right, and there we go. And that's so cute. She can wear them forever. I mean, I can technically wear these, so that's why I spent the money on the wings, because as long as we're careful with them, they should last forever, no matter how big she is or how big I am. They are too stinking cute. If you wanted to know what the baby wings look like on a baby, here it is. At some point when I was getting her ready, I realized that it's probably actually a good thing that my wings aren't super long, that they're not going down past my tailbone or my butt, because if they did, I might have a problem sitting down, especially like on the ground. So since these don't go all the way down, I can actually sit down anywhere. So that's good. I am very happy with these wings. Hi! Even though they were a little bit more on the expensive side, especially the big ones, I think that they were worth it. Quality is really good. They're really flexible. They're very easy to bend. And she does hand paint. I think she said in her description that she does hand paint all over her wings. So, I mean, you can tell because there's like 3 different shades in the wings. So, I'm very happy. I love the way the wings pop with the costume, and I love how we're going to match. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring her upstairs with Ryan because she's getting fussy, but I'll be right back. For those who are curious, this is what the baby wings look like on an adult, and they're pretty precious. I love them. This is definitely a cute look too, but I prefer the nice and long wings. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my big wings again. Alright, so overall, I definitely think that these wings are worth it. They are so pretty. So let's see if they move around at all when I jump around. No, they didn't move in the slightest. Like, not even a little bit. So I definitely don't need those ribbons. And they definitely are very nice and secure in a leather bodice. Yeah, I'd give these wings a 10 out of 10, maybe a 9.9 out of 10, just because I wish the tips were just a little bit brighter. They look bright on the light. They're not as bright, trust me. And I do wish they were just a little bit longer, but like I said, I knew that she couldn't make them longer. Let me know what you guys think of these beautiful wings down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this review, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.